Welcome to the Site-Specific Plan Amendment Process Educational Series. This is the first presentation in the SSPA Educational Series entitled Comprehensive Planning. These are some of the questions that this presentation addresses. The presentation gives an overview of comprehensive planning, including its legal basis. Key planning and zoning terms will be defined in this presentation, and links to additional resources will be provided. Fairfax County has an elected Board of Supervisors consisting of 9 members elected by district, plus a chairman elected at large. As elected representatives of county residents, the board sets policies such as the comprehensive plan. Public hearings are held for amendments to the comprehensive plan and zoning ordinance. These hearings provide an opportunity for citizens to provide input to elected officials and the rest of the community. The Planning Commission is a required body under Virginia law. The Planning Commission reviews proposed comprehensive plan amendments and rezonings and provides recommendations to the Board of Supervisors. Planning 101. Virginia is a Dillon Rule state, meaning that a local jurisdiction within the state may only engage in an activity if it is specifically sanctioned by the state government. A comprehensive plan is required for every local jurisdiction within Virginia. The comprehensive plan consists of text and several maps. The comprehensive plan is used as a guide in decision-making about the built and natural environment. The comprehensive plan is shaped by the community's vision. The Board of Supervisors, the Planning Commission, Board of Zoning Appeals, staff, and the community all use the comprehensive plan as the common basis in decision-making. The comprehensive plan addresses transportation, environmental stewardship, provision of public facilities, land uses, and several other major topics. The plan discusses things that are often built or implemented over the long term, affecting current residents, but often affecting the next generation or future residents who haven't yet moved to the area. The land use precedent and culture set by Fairfax County for the comprehensive plan is that oftentimes it contains great detail that development must adhere to. Many other jurisdictions within the Commonwealth have much more generalized comprehensive plans or plans that may be ignored by decision makers. The comprehensive plan's policy plan, which addresses the county as a whole, includes each of these elements. The plan recommends how land use should be used, but not when development will occur. The plan is a guide for land use decision-making, not regulations or the law. The plan may not be the right tool to address certain community issues such as neighborhood maintenance. The comprehensive plan text includes the policy plan and the 4 area plan volumes. The comprehensive plan also includes the plan land use map, the transportation plan map, and the trails plan map. The concept for future development is detailed within each of the area plans. The concept focuses the vast majority of future growth into a small area, about 10% of the county, described as activity centers, with concentrated employment and housing or industrial uses. There are 6 broad categories of land use within these activity centers. The remainder of the county is categorized as suburban neighborhoods and low-density residential areas where housing will be preserved and protected. The policy plan includes policies applicable anywhere in the county, such as affordable housing or green buildings. The area plan volumes address recommendations specific to the 4 geographic areas of the county shown on the map to the left. The 4 plan areas shown on the left are further broken down into smaller planning geographies called planning districts, shown on the map to the right. The planning districts are further broken down into community planning sectors. Community planning sectors may include site-specific numbered land use recommendations that provide more detailed guidance than the general designations shown on the planned land use map. The Code of Virginia requires localities to review the comprehensive plan at least once every 5 years. Fairfax County reviews its comprehensive plan on an almost ongoing basis to help manage the dynamic changes occurring in the county. The Board of Supervisors authorizes proposals to review amendments to the comprehensive plan, and these amendments are reviewed at public hearings by both the Planning Commission and the Board. Information about pending comprehensive plan amendments is distributed in many ways. Site-specific amendments will have yellow signs posted on the property. Notification letters are sent to the property owners and adjacent property owners. Some civic associations publish plan amendment information in their newsletters or on their websites. And anyone can sign up on the county's listserv website to receive regular emails about comprehensive planning activities. And the county also has a land use Facebook page that is updated regularly. There are a variety of common terms used in the comprehensive plan and the zoning ordinance. 2 of the most common terms are density and intensity. These are terms that refer to the quantity of development. Density is used when discussing residential development. The comprehensive plan map legend includes descriptions of 12 different density ranges for residential development. Density does not describe the form or appearance of residential development. The same density number may take different forms on the ground. Intensity refers to non-residential development such as offices, industrial buildings, and retail stores, and or mixed-use developments. Floor area ratio is the mathematical expression of non-residential development intensity. It is the area of the building divided by the area of the land it sits on. Intensity may take different forms in the built environment. In this example, we have an FAR of 1, where the building covers 1/4 of the site and is 4 stories tall. This example is for an intensity level of 2.5 FAR and shows 3 different forms that the intensity could take when built. Resources include a direct link to the comprehensive plan, a link to the comp plan glossary of terms, a link to some frequently asked questions about the plan, a link to the county email subscription service where you can get regular emails about comprehensive plan activities, and a link to the Facebook land use page. Other presentations in the SSPA educational series include the zoning ordinance, transportation planning, parks, public facilities, and the capital improvements plan.